we're going to be doing a challenge. Who can burp for the longest? 3, 2, 1, go.